Okay, this is written perfectly. I know the coefficient on the squared term. I know the coefficient on the linear term, and I know the constant. And again, I'm looking at it, and you might be shocked by this. I still don't want to use the quadratic formula, but you could do that. This is the A. Um, this is the B. When I say the big A, big B, and this is the C. Yep, I'm going to factor it. And someone says, why would you do that? Oh boy, that looks like a tough factorization though, doesn't it? I'm going to give it a shot. And I want to factor this first, by the way. And I'm going to say 4A minus B and 2A plus 3B. Now, by the way, I can say whatever I want. I just don't know if it's right. And what does that give me? That gives me 8A squared. Well, then I'd get 12AB minus 2AB. That's good, 10AB. And you do get minus 3B squared. And I am going to factor the last guy. And like I would do in any factor, you probably might factor them. I got you, because these look really tough. And I'm going to say 4A plus B and 2A. And no matter what I say, I'm going to try it. And does that work? Let's see, you get 8A squared. Minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10. Works like a charm. Really does. Now the other guy, I don't know if it's necessary to factor that guy, because really that's the worst thing I could look at, the middle. But I need to start thinking about, what the product could be. And it's got to involve those factors, by the way. So I'm going to leave this guy alone for the time being. But again, I want to be honest with you. It's the middle guy that kills me. So I'm going to write this down as, I'm going to make a stab at it. I'm going to say 4A minus B x, and I'm going to say 2A plus 3B x equals 0. So I do got the first guy. That's done. I'm not saying it's right. I'm just saying that will give me the first term, which is 4A minus B, 2A plus 3B x squared. The last guy I have to play around with. And I might get it wrong in the first try. I don't know. And I'm going to say, whatever it is, it's minus minus. And I'm going to say 4A. I'm not saying it's right. I'm saying it's worth a try. And this last guy, I'm going to say 2A minus 3B. Well, I definitely get the first term. I definitely get the last one. I am wondering, do I get the middle one? So I'm going to see if I get it. And what would that be? That would be 4A minus B. The middle term is the one with the x on it. And that would be 2A minus 3B. And then I would get minus 4A plus B times 2A plus 3B. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know if it's going to work. Let's take a look at it. 8A squared minus 12AB minus 2AB is minus 14AB. And then I get plus 3B squared. Let me just pause for a moment, make sure I did that right. 8A squared, got that. Minus 12 minus 2 is minus 14, got that. Yeah, looks pretty good. Didn't say I was right, it's just to look good. 8A squared. That's promising. I'll get the 16A squared, but I don't know if I get the rest of it. Then you're going to get 12 and 2 is 14. AB. Let me see if I'm doing this right. And then you're going to get, first of all, I had to copy it right. I'm second guessing myself now. Let me look at it. 4A minus B times 2a minus 3b, and then 4a plus b, 2a plus 3b. All right, let's keep going. Plus 3b squared. And there's something I did wrong here, and I got to look for it. Oh, I see it now. This is minus. Let me just make sure I'm saying that right. Yeah, it is. I'm seeing it. I made a mistake. All right, let's take a look at it. All right, so what do you get? Minus 16a squared. This is plus 14 minus 14ab. That disappears. Minus 3 is minus 6. We get it. We got it. All right? So, whoops, I meant b squared. We got it. All right? So I know that's correct factorization. And again, I realize something to look at and saying, if you just did the quadratic formula, you would have been done well before all that work you just did. And that's true. And I got confused. I had to do it again. Ah, I got the answer now. What's the answer going to be? Let's write this down. X equals 4a plus b over 4a minus b, or x will equal 2a minus 3b over 2a plus 3b. Am I looking at those answers? Let's take a look. 4a plus b, 4a minus b. 2a minus 3b, 2a plus 3b. We're looking at it, all right? Again, did I check that? No. Do you want to check it? Be my guest. You see any troubles with it? Let me know. Thank you.